In today's video, I'm bringing to you Nigerian slangs in Igbo. Omo, you need to know the Nigerian slangs in Igbo. So when you come back to Nigeria, when you are in Nigeria, hi guys, hi beautiful Igbo technonos, welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, you must have watched the other two videos, right? I'm still wearing the same clothes, the same hair. Yes guys, this is because I filmed this video the same day, almost the same time. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In today's video, I'm bringing to you Nigerian slangs in Igbo. Omo, you need to know the Nigerian slangs in Igbo. So when you come back to Nigeria, when you are in Nigeria and they slang you the slang, you won't be left out. And they slang you the slang, you won't be left out, right? So guys, I'm going to be telling you guys there was the slangs in Igbo language, Nigerian slangs in Igbo language. So let's dive into it. Number one here, me pay again. That's what tells you, me pay again. It means shine your eye. Shine your eyes. Don't even stay there and car go come out. You're still there waiting at the bus stop. Car don't come, carry people go. You gotta shine your eye. Shine your eye. Like we use it most often in Nigeria. When someone says shine your eye, it means you guys are rolling into somewhere that is very, somewhere that is very, you get, and you have to shine your eye, especially more often in Lagos. You can be used shine your eye in various things, like you can be going on the way, they don't collect your phone. You can be inside the bus, your phone don't disappear. Like shine your eye is used often in Lagos in so many situations. But I just want to tell you that shine your eye means me panyage, aranaige, like it decrease. You decrease, you decrease. Most often we say that in Nigeria, you decrease is a slang as well, okay? So when it tells you ago, like you're badu, you know it all. You know it all. You know all the happenings. You know how to swindle. You know how to find your way in most situations. Like or when take a easy. Ago. You know how to do your thing. You know how to find out your ground in most situations. So we use it often as well. Okpo, it means olodo. Okpo, olodo. We say it all the time. Okpo. It's just like what we say often. Olodo. Sorry, you're hearing my baby's background noise in the background. Please ignore it. And the next one is ikebike, nyash. When the nyash is too big, ikebe super. Ikebike, nyash. They say that most often too in Nigerian slangs. Kpachara, respect yourself. Respect yourself. We say it more often again in Nigerian Igbo language. Kpachara, respect yourself. We also say akwuna. We say akwuna a lot. It means a shower prostitute. We say it a lot. Akwuna is a Nigerian slang most often used. Akwuna. Person that stay one place. Waka, akwuna. We use it more often in Nigerian Igbo language. Somebody says nendoge. This has finished you practically. Nendoge. See your life. Nendoge. Person doesn't want to say much. Maybe the person has sized you with his or her eyes like this one no reach me. Person tells you nendoge. See your life. Nendoge. We also use this very one. The natas. Towards that October, November, December, people that come back from abroad, whichever place you are, abroad is abroad, so long they're not in the shores of Nigeria, right? People that come back from abroad, we call them the natas. When they're coming back, well, I might tell you, if you see the natas, now they used to open ear, wear glasses, put towel on their neck, draw tattoo, wear only singlet. They don't wear coat because they say everywhere is hot. They want cold. So we know them. They fry their hair too. So we call them the natas. The natas, I just go back. You say what? The IJGB. I just go back to the country. I just returned. I just returned. I'm not living here. I just came back. You don't even tell us you just came back. I just told you the features. Either your ear is open, or you have towel on your neck, or you're wearing singlet with tattoo, because they don't like wear clothes often. They say Nigeria is hot, or they fry their hair, or they have so many rings on their hands, and they're wearing big chain. You know, we know them. You know, you don't use to us, you just came back, and then natas. We use that often too. Towards November, December, October, you hear them most saying, and then natas, they are coming back, oh, that kind of thing. So we use it more often in Nigeria as well. In Nigeria, slang in Igbo language as well. So it says, onye ngbu. Yelena, onye ngbu, Yelena, you're still learning. You can amu, you can amu the thing now. Yelena, you have to go. Onye ngbu, you're still learning. You know, still learning in the background. That is just basically it. The truth. Akpiri, everything you want to akpiri, longer truth. Akpiri, longer truth. Kaso kwa ni fa na-eme. Now you biko. Kaso ni fa na-eme. Now you know when you follow now anything, you know the happenings. I know the right thing that is happening. You know the thing that is supposed to happen. You know where it is happening. You know the right. You know the right. Kaso ni fa na-eme now. Onye kaso ni fa na-eme. You know when the girl follow, you know, guys also like to use this often. The girl is, you know, corresponding or rhyming to his reading. You know, guys reading, you know, when they call you, come out and you're doing as they want. They're like, it means this only fan now. You have to go, it's only fan now. So we use this very often in Nigerian slangs in Igbo language as well. That's what it tells you, negodu. Means you are finished too. Negodu, see your life. Your own has finished now. The person that looks you down to the latter. You're nothing again. See your life. Negodu. Your own has finished. See your life. Negodu. Your own has finished. Possibly the person has sized you. The person doesn't have more strength like to exchange words with you because the person feels that he or she is bigger than you. You know, in all ramifications. So there's no long story. The short story there is Negodu. See your life. You're finished. Your life has what? Finish. Nkade, this one will follow. Nkade, this one follow. Use that as well. We also say wahoo. We also say wahoo when something is following, you know, follows and it doesn't follow. Yeah, wahoo or something. It can be used. Well, it can be used in different manners. It can be something that is following very well. We say wahoo. It can be something that is little bit following. You can say wahoo as well. So we use it in different situations as well. But we often say wahoo. Tufiakwa. That's why I say tufiakwa. For me, it means now all for you, or you know which way be this. That's tufiakwa. We use that often as well. The last but not the least is kadia. Kadia means this one follow for waiting they talk here. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Most times these words I mentioned now, we use it basically often. We have other ones though, but these are the ones that are frequently used all the time, every other time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope my son's voice was not disturbing too much on the background. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel. The support takes me a long way, right? Have a wonderful day. Bye.